All right, everybody, so we're gonna go ahead and get started on this skid plate here. A lot of different bolts in this bag. I want to try and keep everything as consistent as possible, so I'm gonna go in here, see what we got, what sizes is what. I'm gonna try and switch as much stuff over to 1/4-20 as I can. That's step one. We're gonna get the hardware taken care of because I noticed that there's like self-tappers and stuff in here, and I don't plan to use any of those. All right, so we got quite a bit of bolts here. So I think the easiest way to go ahead and do this was I took a picture of all of this with my phone, and then I counted all the bolts, and then I went back and I edited the photo, and I actually just wrote the number like 27, 4, 7, 6, wrote them onto the picture. So that way I got something easy to reference when I get to the hardware store. Then I could just look into this bag, and I only have to take one of each bolt, and then I can just reference a photo for the quantity. Those stored away. Alright, so we're out here in the driveway. I'm going to go ahead and use my trailer to get my machine up in the air so that way I can get underneath it and work on it. That way I'm not laying on the ground the whole damn day. It's super hot out here, so we went ahead and we busted out the old porta-cool. So hopefully that'll help keep us cool a little bit. This will work. You got the old porta-cool. Hell yeah. Well, I decided I'm going to call it quits for the day. We didn't get the whole thing put on, but we got pretty damn close. We got the center part put in, and we got the back piece put on, but we've only got a couple screws in there holding it together. For the most part, this thing up in the front was kind of a pain, simply because I got this bumper on and I got the RS1 diff, so I have the bash plates and everything up front, which kind of make it a pain. I still have to put these two front screws in here. I'm going to self-tap those, or not self-tap them, but I'm going to tap 1/4-20. And yeah, guys, we'll get back to this tomorrow. All right, y'all, so change of plans. We're going to the water park today, so we're going to go have some fun there first, and then we'll get back to it on this bad boy. I know this is like a weird kind of vlog video because I'm pretty much all over the place, but just try to keep up, okay? It's been a long week. Well, we're here at the water park in our H2O. Gonna have some fun today. You guys ready?
Yeah.
All right, baby. So flippin' hot out here. All right, Maddie, you ready? What's this slide called?
I don't know.
The white one? Oh, there's our slide right. Oh, there's our tube right there. Thanks, man. All right, let's go. So what's your favorite slide here, Maddie?
The Viper.
The big one?
The purple, green, and black.
It's like 99 degrees out here. All right, here we go. Here we go. Oh, oh man. Yeah. Here comes the water. Well, let me tell you, this wouldn't be a Dave video without some sort of issue or problem going on, right? So last night, we were supposed to get ready to go riding today. I was gonna try and finish all the skid plate stuff yesterday after the water park. I showed you a couple clips of that. But unfortunately, when I got home, my damn air conditioner fucking shit the bed. So now, I've got a really good supporter on the page, Brian Ward with Air Max. He's
He's gonna get us taken care of. He got us the parts we needed. It is right down there on the floor. So we're gonna go replace, we're gonna be an air conditioner guy for the day, HVAC. So we're gonna replace the fan and put a couple condensers in. Hopefully get this house cooled down. So no riding today, unfortunately, but we'll get out there soon. Let's see if we can get this thing fixed. All right, it's Father's Day. We got a little bit of time. I'm gonna try and get this thing out, pulled up on the ramps here, and see if we can't get a lot more of these holes drilled and tapped. So I'm getting a little closer, laying in the hot sun. At least the breeze is blowing. Got these nice little black washers here. These cheap little Ace Hardware bolts. Cheap little DeWalt gun. Cheap. All right, so it's Father's Day, and we're gonna try and finish this stuff up. We got a little bit of the skid plate left. All right, let's get to it. Well, it's not time. We're still tapping. Still tapping. Oh my goodness. You good? All right. All right, well, it's like day 3 or 4 on this stupid thing. Whatever. Moving on. All right, so check this out. There's a bolt back there. I skipped it, that one. I'm not doing it, all right? Don't worry about it. So that one got skipped. We just got to putting on this left panel all the way through here. I'm gonna lop like all of this off because like look how much that hangs out. I don't need all that. So I'll be trimming that off. And then yeah, right now we're just getting the rest of this piece put back up there. And then we gotta go do the driver's side. So we're moving along. Thank God it's a little bit overcast, so that way it's not so hot out here. All right, guys, so I've gotten to the point of putting this back piece on, right? And I've gotten to here. Normally it would bolt to the plastic panel that's right here. There's like a plastic flap that comes underneath, and then it would bolt to that. So we're having to make ourselves a little elbow bracket that sits behind here. So what I went ahead and did, since I didn't need all my little clip-on clip nuts, I don't know what you want to call these, since I didn't need to use all these, I went ahead and I found a little piece of scrap metal and bent it, made a little bracket. I'm gonna drill some holes, and this thing's gonna sit behind here. It's gonna bolt through the conveyor belt, and then it's gonna bolt to that back piece there. So there we are. There's the finished product. I don't think you'll be able to really see what I did there, but maybe you could see it. Okay guys, quick little update. So I had a couple spots right here. I got a frame brace on here, and you can see where it sags from where it has to make this significant bend right here around. So what I'm gonna do is, I didn't have any holes drilled here. So what I did was I found a little bit smaller than some 1-inch washers, and I took a 1-inch spade bit for wood, and I started my hole with this to get the recession. Now I'm gonna go through and I'm gonna drill my hole and my tap and everything to run the bolt through. And I'll do this on both sides to get this thing suctioned up to the frame. Now you can see how close it gets. You just put that bolt right up in there like that. So let's see what we went from, what we went to. It looks a lot better. And you can see where it changes elevation because of the frame brace. That's okay, because this thing is flexed up in here. I think we're looking pretty damn good. Now we'll get this other side. Gotta love it. Like, literally, we're like 4 holes away from finishing, and I busted a drill bit. So now we gotta go back to the auto parts store and get another one of these number 7s, because this is the last one. With that being said, guys, you get the point. You get the picture. Super ATV skid plate for the RZR XP1000. Should be pretty damn sweet. I didn't need all the hardware that they sent with it. I just stuck with a quarter 20 tap and a number 7 drill bit and just went through the whole entire thing. Drill and tapped everything that I could, everything that required that little metal strip plate that went through. I used the little clip nuts that came with the kit. And yeah, so we'll give it a little bit of a review, maybe like 6 months from now, a year from now. We'll see how it fares in the bounty course, and yeah, we'll see what the big differences are between the stock and the aftermarket setup. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to share this shit with your friends. We'll see you guys out on the next one. Later.